If you're a musician looking to get your music out there, you've probably heard of symphonic distribution. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another music distribution service like DistroKid or TuneCore. The surprising truth is that Symphonic offers not just distribution, but a full suite of tools for marketing, analytics, and rights management. Symphonic allows you to distribute your music to all major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and YouTube Music. One of its advantages is the ability to manage multiple releases and catalogs in one dashboard. You also get royalty tracking, detailed analytics, and access to promotional tools that can help you understand your audience better. Pricing is flexible, but geared toward serious artists and labels. There's an annual fee per release, and you keep 100% of your royalties, which is a huge plus compared to some competitors that take a cut. They also offer optional add-ons like sync licensing, which can get your music placed in TV, movies, or ads, a feature not always available on other platforms. On the downside, Symphonic is more suited to professional musicians and labels rather than hobbyists. The setup can feel complex at first, and some smaller independent artists might find the fees higher than entry-level services. Customer support is generally responsive, but experiences can vary depending on the region. For serious musicians who want more than just basic distribution, Symphonic provides tools to grow your brand, track your income, and expand your reach globally. Its combination of analytics, royalty management, and promotional features makes it a comprehensive platform. In conclusion, Symphonic distribution is a strong choice if you're a professional or semi-professional musician looking to take your music career seriously. If you're just releasing a single or two for fun, it might feel like overkill. But for artists who want control, transparency, and growth tools, it's definitely worth considering. If this honest review helped you understand whether Symphonic is right for your music journey, subscribe for more reviews, tips, and insights on tools that can elevate your career.